Hello dear friends! Now you will see another selection of coolest products from Amazon sites. All links to the products in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go!
In the cities, where you spend a great amount of your time on the road, you experience a lot of traffic on a daily basis, always with someone calling or texting while you drive. To avoid the inevitable consequences of irresponsible drivers and the unnecessary arguments at the courthouse, to document a truthful record of accidents, you need a device that can keep track of what happens on the road, that you can always rely on. We believe in a product that can secure and enhance your driving experience with an intuitive and powerful camera device. Built for high performance and reliability, introducing the third generation Rexing V1 Dashcam with an optional premium upgrade. The Core Ultra HD camera, with a wide field of view, the best of its kind, enables maximum picture resolution and clarity. With its wide dynamic range technology and advanced image sensor, the V1 automatically adapts to any light condition. We enhanced the way dashcams record. Loop recording will automatically overwrite the oldest files, allowing you to keep recording with no interruptions. The G sensor smartly identifies collisions of the vehicle, enables auto lock of the current video, ensuring your most important footage is kept protected. We also simplified the way dashcams communicate and transfer data with the third generation Rexing V1's colorful LED display, GPS capability, and Wi-Fi video transfer features. Built for high durability, the Rexing V1 allows continuing high performance in an extreme temperature environment. Discreet design of the lightweight body with its black finish and low-profile form, Rexing V1 can be easily disguised behind the window shield, documenting your road trips and securing your daily drives with its undemanding characteristics. Engineered for quality, designed for reliability. The Rexing
Introducing the Blackview DR590X series single and dual channel Wi-Fi dashcam. The quality you've come to expect from a Blackview dashcam in a connected, compact design. Equipped with a full HD Sony Starvis image sensor, the DR590X captures clear footage even in the darkest of situations. The dual channel model records both front and back in full HD 1080 resolution, while the single channel model is capable of recording up to 60 frames per second, letting you capture critical fast-moving moments. Connecting your dashcam is easy with the built-in Wi-Fi. This allows you to use the Blackview app to customize your settings and download videos right to your smartphone. The optional connectivity module unlocks Blackview Cloud Lite for your dashcam. You'll be able to enjoy the added benefit of push notifications and remote access without needing an additional data plan. And the built-in voltage monitoring ensures that your dashcam stays powered without draining your vehicle's battery. Blackview DR590X series. High-quality dashcam, simplified.
The next leap in fleet safety is here. The Samsara AI Dashcam. A camera with artificial intelligence that analyzes road conditions and driver behavior to prevent accidents before they happen. Detect traffic violations and near misses. And proactively coach drivers with in-cab alerts. It's all made possible by unparalleled video quality, real-time voice coaching, and embedded artificial intelligence. All part of Samsara's complete platform for connected fleet operations.
On the road, the Alpine Advanced Dashcams. Have you ever been in a car accident and could not prove that you did nothing wrong? We have the perfect solution for you. The new Alpine Dashcams provide digital proof of your driving situation and includes additional data like GPS location, G-force, and driving speed. The Alpine F800 Pro records in 1080p Full HD and features the Sony Exmor Starvis image sensor for excellent recording quality at night and day. The F800 Pro is also packed with cutting-edge technology to support you while driving.
Speed and red light cameras in 300 meters.
Speed Camera Alert warns you if you exceed the speed limit and approach a fixed radar camera. Lane Departure Warning notifies you if your vehicle moves out of its lane. And Forward Collision Warning helps to prevent or reduce the severity of a collision. The cameras will also surveil your car while parked.
Parking recording will now start.
If any impact by another vehicle is detected, the camera will store the video footage and you can review it on your smartphone. To view all saved video footage, use the Alpine Dashcam viewer on your Mac or PC and watch your recorded videos synchronized with GPS location, crash sensor data, and driving speed. You can also extend your F800 Pro with an optional rear accessory camera.
You choose Blackview, you buy into an ecosystem of dashcams, services, and accessories that have been refined over years of development. Established in 2007, Blackview has become the standard for simple, reliable, connected, and elegant dashcam design. It introduced full HD dashcams globally, followed by Wi-Fi connectivity for easy setup and management of videos through a mobile phone. Blackview also became popular for its advanced parking mode monitoring function. Since 2015, the brand set itself further apart with the launch of Blackview over the cloud, a service enabling remote live view of in-car footage from anywhere, anytime with the Blackview app. Discover the Blackview ecosystem of dashcams, services, and accessories. Dashcam.